Ni maithori na kieba kire gikunikite aikari itura ria Utawala.
Roxy has been in the family for about 5 years. She's really a friend of the family and a part of the family.
Makithika makiria ma Nyau na Ngui 10 iria ikwete na njira ya kiriga.
Seem to have died from poisoning because most of them seem to be bleeding, either nose bleeding or bleeding through their mouths.
It's really sad losing her like this. Roxy was about 5 years old, and I think the lifespan of a cat is much longer than that.
Aikaria ya marekwa Ngui ciao ne thumu irekereiro ni mundu urari na itanya ria kumonuba.
Wewe ni mtu akona intentions ya kuua paka ama dogi. Juu dogi zilikuwa zimeweza kukua mingi, hizi stray dogs. So I guess alikuwa na hiyo nia ya kuua hizo stray dogs, ikapatana na hao wengine.
Hiyo kesi ya paka kuliwa like pets, that's not good by the way, cause pets are nezasemaje video sipoa.
Kieba kiao ni kuona ati nyamu ici ni macithecithĩtie nginya njanjo na imwe ciacio itire ciorũraja wa itura riri.
We live with a lot of pets here. They're vaccinated. We really take good care of them, and they're part of our family. Unfortunately, we've lost quite a number of them. It's alarming, and as we say, the children are out there playing. It's a risk. We want it investigated so that we get to know what's happening, and also we get to know what kind of poison is it that is being used out there to kill our pets.
So painful because those pets in this area, you know, we have so many snakes. Zinatusaidia sana kuua nyoka, and what I can say, mwenye amefanya hivyo, it is so bad and hatuna raha.
Makeda uthuthuria wa naibenya utabanio aikarie mugite ni ruo ruingi kuthika nyamu cia mucie muratoranĩtie nacio ta arata. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.